abstain. Itawusilelela lapho now shayini. Ivula letimpiko bese yehlela emagaleni etihlahla, destroying all the feathers. So you need to move away from people. Uti separate, be in seclusion. So we have the gwalagwala and we have that big black one. We call it ujojo lomnyama lomphicile. We say umile magombo busika nehlobo. That bird in winter, the tail dries up and it doesn't grow. But in summer, the tail grows to that. And lenyon layer, that black one, even if you have a gun, you can't shoot it. Because if you want to get its tail, ufuna to move from home, ube separated, ube seclusion. Emvakalo, you don't carry a gun, upata inovi. There's trees which have novi. Tata inovi, strategically, will listen to the voice in you. And the lenyoni will be magneted by the novi. You climb the tree, ufuna ususele timbiko, bese ipagamisa ususa inovi, you set it free. Learn, because the king needs to use those feathers from the live bird. It must not die, so that he will be alive even in the spiritual realm. Because all those birds, all those feathers, they are for birds which are kings in their vicinity. The white one, we call it insing, is impossible to hunt. Because that white bird, the king got to get it once. When he's about to be crowned, they will go and find that bird. It's not human beings